Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this new development erection sequence in Trimble Connect. As we all know that site teams using Trimble Connect could not create erection sequences directly inside the platform, but that changes now. We built an application specifically for Trimble Connect users to own the erection sequencing workflow end to end. Here is exactly how it works. You can create a separate folder for each project phase with multiple categories under each one. You can do area selection and pick a reference point, and the application assigns sequence numbers fast, so you don't have to do it member by member. You can set color codes for each stage so every person on site knows exactly what phase they are looking at. You can reorder the sequence number when the erection plan changes. You can delete and reassign without starting over. You can run a simulation to visualize the full erection sequence. You can also generate an Excel report for the client when they need a record. The whole workflow lives inside Trimble Connect. Let me just walk you through how this erection sequence application works. You can create a new folder. For example, I'm going to create another folder for phase 3. And then once you click phase 3, you can create multiple categories and click on this color table and choose the color and then click create. To create the next category, type the name and select the color and click create. So this is how you can create a separate folder and multiple categories under each folder. In the interest of the time, I have already created this phase 2. So now I'm going to show you how you can assign the assemblies to different categories. Let me start with grid. I prefer to keep the switch assembly selection and area selection mode on, and select the grid and click the plus sign and pick the reference point, and then just click once again on the grid line. You can see this grid has been added to this category. Next, I'm going to assign assemblies to this column. Keep the area selection mode on and then do the area selection and click the plus sign. It is asking me to pick the reference point. When you pick the reference point at grid A1, which means it will start assigning the sequence number from the assemblies closest to the reference point. And click the column row once again. You can see the selected assemblies assigned to this category. Next, I'm going to pick rafter. So let me just do this selection one by one, but it will be a time consuming. This is just only to show you. And then click the plus sign and pick the reference point. And once again, click on this. Let me do it on the other side. So next I'm going to do it for the purlin. So I can also use layers to display only the purlins. I changed this one to top view so that it will be easy for me to select. Now click on the area selection mode, do the area selection, and then click the plus sign and pick a reference point. And then click once again on the purlin category to reload the data. And next I'm going to do on the opposite side. And this time I'm going to pick this as my reference point. And then click once again. Let me just run the simulation now. You can see the erection sequence. And if you just want to change the order, what you can do is you can simply drag and drop it. So let me just run the simulation. So here it is. You can increase the simulation time. If you want to run for all the stages, you can click the simulation here, Or if you want to run only for a particular category, then you can use this one. This will help you to select the particular category. For example, let me just click on this. Can you see it selects the assemblies belong to this category? So to generate an Excel report, just click this symbol and then let me just open, and you can see this Excel report. As you have seen, now the people managing erection on site have a proper tool built for the platform they actually use. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.